Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that this process should also allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you don't know, this will get rid of it. Now, if you also have a Google account signed in on to your device, which chances are you probably do, then after the reset, you'll need to verify one of the two things, either the Google account or the screen lock while you're going to the setup. Without verifying either one of those, you will never be able to finish up the setup of the device. Therefore, you're just kind of stuck with a device that is in the setup process and you can't really use it in that state. And normally I would be recording a video on how you can bypass this, but for this device, as far as I know, there is no way as of right now. So just be very wary of that. In any case, because this allows me to get rid of a screen lock, I am going to proceed as though I don't know my screen lock. So number one, we're going to hold our power button and we're going to select power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you should see, there we go, Nubia logo. So let go of the power button. And this then shows us the recovery mode. And here we will need to use our volume buttons to navigate through the options. And just press volume down once. This will select wipe data, confirm it with the power button. And then confirm it once more with the power button because factory reset is selected. And press volume up, reset, confirm it. It's going to start formatting your data. And as you can see, it says data wipe complete, or at least tries to, but fails at it. So there should be data. So anyway, we're going to now press volume down to select back to previous page. Confirm that. Power button to select reboot system. And this will continue the resetting of the device while the device is booting up. So it will take the tablet a little bit longer to like normally boot up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once the reset is finished, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And it's now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.